In order to install Python 3 in Windows environment, first we will go to the Python website, that is the www.python.org, and specifically in the download section. So it is python.org/downloads/windows. Here we can click the Python 3 release. Now we need to scroll downwards. Here we have the Windows installer for 64-bit. Let me download this one. Right click on the downloaded exe, run as administrator, click yes. There are two options, install now and customize installation. I don't want this location for the installation. I would install it in a separate folder. So click on customize installation. Another thing to notice, these two checkboxes, I will keep them as it is. So click on customize installation. Keep the default options. You can change it according to your preference. I'm keeping it as it is. Click next. So here I want to customize the installation location. I would provide a particular folder I have already created. Let me paste that path. Click installed. Now the installation is going on. Finally, it is showing the message as setup was successful. Click on close. Copy this particular path. Now we need to set few environment variables. Right click on this PC, properties, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables, click new, and here we would be adding Python home. So we are providing the Python installation direction as the Python home variable. Click on OK. Now we need to add this variable to the path variable. I'm selecting the path variable. Click on edit, edit text, click OK, and let me go to the very end. So as you can notice over here, what we are adding is this one, percentage Python home percentage semicolon and then percentage Python home slash scripts. Click OK, OK again. Now our setup is done. We will open a command line and check the Python installation. I have opened a command prompt. Let me type the command Python. As you can see, the Python is already installed over here.